Welcome back, YouTube. This is jseeb1 coming in for the video on how the keyboard work. First, let's just draw the diagram. I don't know exactly how the chip goes, but basically this is how it goes, and then this piece conjuncts to a cable. Then this piece goes to that goes to the USB. When this set key, this would be like the A key, for example, on the keyboard that we took apart. When that gets pushed down to the closed position, electricity flows through here. Then that goes through and then probably sends a square wave. And let's just say now that the C key is pushed. That sends a different frequency of modulations, usually square waves. If I could be incorrect. If I am, please let me know in the comments. Basically, then this that sends the signal back into the computer. Yes, if you guys didn't know, my work desk is a dry erase board. I'm using it as it. See, basically that's the computer that's connected. The signal, there's a signal plus, signal minus, plus 5 VDC, negative 5 VDC. Cables in there. Usually the green is ground, which is the negative 5 VDC or 0 volts. The white is signal plus what's the other one? I know what they are. The black, that's the ground for signal. Green's ground for signal. Black is ground for VDC. Then red's the plus 5 VDC. That's what's all inside a USB. And it can vary from plus 5 VDC at 1 amp or varies from plus 5 VDC slash 2.5 amps. It just all depends on the socket. But anyway, when that's pushed down, that sends a square wave. It's like a 555 timer basically, but inverted. It's a digital to analog. Analog is anywhere from 0 to however many, while digital is 0 or 1. That's all that it is. There's nothing in between analog and digital. But basically, when this switch is pushed down to the closed position, it sends a signal back, and it varies in resistance and timing. That's how the computer recognizes if it's an A key or a C key. That's how the keyboard tells if it's different. It all depends on these waveforms and the timing and resistance. That's what all this measures right here. And this measures that. And then sends that out as a signal. sends it down the white and the green lines. So basically following that, the green and white is the sender, while the black and red is the receiver. Basically, from what my laptop, it gives off 5 volts DC at 1 amp. And basically that's how the original keyboard works. The wireless ones though, like the receiver that we're talking about, has instead of that just has a transmitter. While the part that comes in the computer has a receiver, which are basically antennas that act like inductors, basically. That's how all this works, basically. And it has an amplifier inside the computer, which amplifies a signal and all this and that, basically. And that's how it works. Well, thank you for watching this, YouTube. This is jseeb1 episode number 9 out. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.